Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about the stock of Nikola Corporation, and this is a very interesting stock because though we don't have much information on this stock, but if you look at this stock, the stock has suddenly spiked up, and the way it has spiked up, it has given multifold returns. Okay, so if you look at this chart, it's anyhow given. You can see, check out this chart. So it's being flat till 2018-19, and suddenly there is a spike came and again becomes flat, and suddenly there is a big spike. So here what you can see, the kind of product they are making and the things they are doing with the automobile industry is quite remarkable. So I'm not going to talk about the product because the main intention we have is to read and assess the price trend. So you can see here, this is the daily chart. So the stock was completely flat 2018, 19, 20, even in the first half of 2020, like for 2 months, and then from there the stock has given 800% returns in a span of within a span of 3 months and 10 or 15 odd days. Okay, so this is quite remarkable, and after that the stock has corrected and again going up. So it means that there is a trend, there is an inherent trend. So this trend is not going to fall very easily, and this strength will push the stock much more higher from the current level. And it's not only the business which is driving the price, it also the liquidity which is looking for value and volume both. If you are saying that stocks, money is chasing only quality stocks, that's not going to happen, and that is not actually true. Okay, because everybody knows that the kind of valuation the good or the very good stocks are trading at, it's not reasonable to purchase the stocks, and most of the people can't able even purchase those stocks with such high stock prices per share. So they are looking for companies which has low value or reasonable value or potential value, but the small stock price is lower when compared to the other big guns. So here what you can see in the trend is something like this. Okay, is something like this, and the way the trend has shaped up is showing that potentially it will go towards its higher end of the range, which was 93 couple of months back, and from there it has corrected. And when it comes to your support level, your first support level will come at around 40, then 35, and then 28. If these three important support level doesn't hold, it will directly move towards 20. So you need to look at these support lines very carefully, because with the kind of 800% rise in the past 2 or 3 months, uh, the stock will definitely take time to again go up. So that we need to see and we need to check. We can't say, because right now the stock is moving up, we have to respect what the price says, that it is moving up. When it will go down, we will say it will go down. Okay, but you need to know about your support and resistance level, and you need to respect the price trend, and that's what we are doing. So you should remember these support lines and adjust your position and thought process accordingly. But on the upside, your resistance will be like 76, and if it cross 76, then 93, which was its previous high couple of months back. And we are not going to see beyond 93 right now, because the trend is not allowing for that, and moreover we do not have that much information available in the chart, because this chart is new, and the way the stock has been depressed for the last 2 years and 2.5 years and it suddenly spike, it doesn't make any sense, because the actual data which we can see here is from 2020 onwards and not be, before that. But this is a very interesting chart, and if it indeed, let me say it very clearly, that though I'm saying that with this kind of rise this is a fall, and you have to be sure about what you are doing, because in the short term the stock may correct again or may consolidate. But there is also a possibility that if it can move towards its previous high to retest it. But if it sustains and break out above 93.94, so there is also a possibility that a new trend will start, but that has to be decided by the share price only. We can't decide that. Our limitation for the time being is till 93. Once it crosses and stay above 93.94, then we will look and talk about that. So this is the end of the video. If you like this video, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel for this kind of contents. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.